The Gmail reality check. Need to print a pile of emails? Gmail lets you print one conversation at a time or an entire thread if you open it first. Nothing more. So you end up clicking into each message, clicking the print button, this opens a tab, confirming the dialog, clicking print, closing the tab, clicking back into inbox, and repeating over and over. Bloggers call it frustrating and far from straightforward because there's still no native print selected button. Some common workarounds. The web is packed with tutorials that tell you to forward everything to yourself as attachments, download every email as a PDF, merge them, then finally hit Control-P, or run a custom app script. Sure, they work, but they're clunky, error-prone, and chew up your morning. One YouTube demo even labels it a hack rather than a solution. The easy solution: one-click upgrade. Now watch this. Install Bulk Print Selected by Engine IT from the Chrome Web Store, refresh Gmail, and a bold new Print Selected button appears beside your inbox actions. Tick any mix of conversations, click once, and every email flows into a single, clean print queue. No forwarding, no PDFs to splice. The extension was built for every Chromium browser, so it works the same on Chrome, Brave, and Microsoft Edge, perfect for anyone using Gmail. Time saved, problem solved. Finance teams printing invoices, support desks archiving ticket trails, even legal staff handling case emails, all report saving hours each week. So skip the hacks. Head to engineIT.com, add bulk print selected, and turn Gmail bulk printing from a chore into a single, satisfying click. The link is in the description.